guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another review video. I don't know after how many months. Finally we saw a good product, and as soon as we saw the product, I texted Urvi, let's review this, and we ordered this. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what are we talking about?
So, of course, you might have already read the title. We are going to be reviewing the Nykaa Skin RX Face Serums. So, this was like a new exciting launch from Nykaa after a really long time.
Yeah.
At least both of us really got excited. Makeup se na main bore ho gayi hu Nykaa ke, to be very honest. So, skincare was something good. So, they launched 4 serums in this category and we both ordered one each. I have the niacinamide one. She has the hyaluronic acid one. They also have a retinol and a salicylic acid one as well. Now talking about the packaging first. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a basic cardboard box, and this is how the actual bottle looks like. Fun story. I guess 1 week into using this, मेरे हाथ से ड्रॉपर गिर गया, and of course वो कांच का होता है, so it broke. So मैंने एक दूसरी रैंडम बॉटल का ड्रॉपर इसमें लगाया हुआ है, which doesn't look appealing क्योंकि ये पूरा बंद नहीं होता है, but it was totally my mistake. So yeah, the packaging is a very basic packaging, so gets a thumbs up.
So first of all, I want to say this, that we did not review this product as soon as we got it. We took a good 1 month to try and test this product. So it's been a 1 month we both have been using this product. Also coming back to the price, the MRP of it retails for 799 rupees. I got it around rupees 640 or 639. I guess I am a member of the Nykaa Pro thing or something like that. So because of that, I got 20% off.
And I purchased it on the launch day itself, and launch day pe they always have this 10% off. So I bought it for 719 rupees, which again I think both the prices are pretty decent for a serum because it's going to last you for a really long time.
Also we noticed something which is very funny, I guess. So both of our products are same products by the same range, but mine is 25 ml and hers 30 ml. So we were confused, like what's going on. So we did go on the app and check it again. So 2 of the serums are of 25 ml and 2 serums are 30 ml. I don't understand the logic of it.
Yeah, I mean 5 ml में तुमको क्या ही हो रहा था, and 30 ml is like a standard size for liquid products, right? So ये थोड़ा सा weird लगा मुझे. I don't know if there's a reason behind it. At least we are not aware about it. So yeah, that's one thing you should keep in mind. And also the product is dermatologically tested, it's fragrance free, it's alcohol free, it is meant for all skin types, it's also paraben free and cruelty free. So it's all in all a good clean product.
So I'm just going to mention what is written over the box over here. It says 2% hyaluronic acid, 1% marine algate extract. I don't know what that means. Second is intense hydration. Definitely it is good hydration. Anyone with dry skin, I feel you should definitely get your hands on it. And it also says it revives dull skin. Again, I completely agree with it. Hyaluronic acid is meant for hydration and dull skin people. I feel this is really nice and it does the job really well. I guess I'm halfway there, or at least इधर तक वो, obviously because the bottle we can't see the product, but weight से लग रहा है कि हाँ भाई काफ़ी product है, तो यहाँ तक मैं हूँ. And I have been using this thoroughly. I have really liked my skin these days because monsoon था तो बहुत weird weather था, but this has always been my savior. It really hydrates my skin.
Now talking about the 10% niacinamide serum that I bought. It has 1% zinc, 10% niacinamide. It helps reduce blemishes and induces even skin tone. Now the major reason why I got the niacinamide one is because it induces even skin tone. So if you have dark spots or pigmentation or blemishes, this is going to help you reduce that. Now my major concern is only pigmentation. I do not have blemishes or dark spots, so I cannot comment on that, but it also says ऊपर यहाँ पे that it is meant for spot correction. So if that is something that you are looking for, I think this would really work well. Now talking about the consistency of the product, it's very lightweight. It gets absorbed into the skin really quickly. Doesn't feel sticky or heavy at all because I have oily skin and I do not like that feel in my products, but this doesn't do that, and my skin just has a very nice soft subtle glow after I use this. It just looks very healthy and ऐसा लगता है बहुत सारा पानी पिया है basically. So that I will give for it कि Dinkle ने बोला कि it's high on hydration. That's the for sure in both of these, and I'm sure बाकी दोनों में भी वो होगा ही. Now talking about the pigmentation aspect of it, I would be very honest with you. In 1 month of using this product, I did not see any reduction in my pigmentation, but of of course I can't comment completely on that because ये bottle पूरा मैंने अब तक use नहीं किया है. So probably by the end of using this bottle I would see, not I would say like removal of my pigmentation, but probably some reduction. I'll keep you guys posted either on my Instagram or somewhere in our favorites video or something. But all in all, I really like this serum. I don't have anything bad to say about it. But if you have spot correct wala aspect na, I think this would really work for y'all.
So now let's conclude the pros and cons. So the first pro is, I guess it is budget friendly. The pricing is good. You can definitely get some offers. If you're a pro member, you get 20% off and a lot more other offers from Nykaa for sure. It is also easily available online and offline. The packaging is also very good. You can easily travel with it, so the packaging is not at all an issue. Also, these products can be used for all skin types. I have a product for dry skin. She has the product for oily skin, and there are more 2 to 3 products which you can use according to your skin type. So it is suitable for all skin types.
Now coming on to the cons, the biggest con that we found was the ml difference.
Yeah.
The 25 ml and 30 ml, I didn't really understand that. The second con has to be that if you want to see like extreme results, this is not something that would work like instantly with your skin, especially if you have like very deep dark spots. तो आपको मतलब 2-3 bottle use करना पड़ेगा उसको. I mean that is there for almost all skincare products, but don't expect it to be miraculous with the first use itself. It's not that product. So it's sort of in between. It's not a complete con. So yeah, that's it for this video. This product definitely gets a thumbs up from our side. Now to rate it, I would say I would rate it 4 on 5. 1 point मैंने cut किया because of that ml thing. It's really annoying me for some reason. Yeah, that's the only issue that I have.
Yeah, same. Like 4.5, half point cut for that ml wala thing, which is very weird. Very weird.
So Nykaa, if you're listening, please, मतलब या तो 25 ही रखो या 30 रखो. ऐसा भेदभाव नहीं करने का. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did then
please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.